For the last month, I've been looking for the absolute best keyboard parts from various websites. I've looked at KP Republic, I've looked through KPD Fans, and both of them have one thing: the shipping. To ship to me, I want to say I had $50 worth of items in my cart, cost $29. I finally found something. I tried KeebsForAll. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I feel like rather than using this Avengers mouse pad, I feel like I should put something that, you know, reflects the brand a bit more. Something that there you go! KeebsForAll. I'm holding it this way, mainly because I don't want y'all to be able to see my address, you stalker. I'm going to be completely honest. I know I ordered quite a few switches. I don't remember what I ordered. Item number 1, Texi Oreos. I know you can't see it because the webcam is actually terrible. Next, Texi Carrots. Yo. I literally cannot believe I used to use this as my webcam. Oh, those are so smooth. These are stock. These aren't pre-lubed switches. These are actually so smooth. That's hilarious. What else we got? I don't remember what that is. I guess I'll just go ahead and quickly demo for myself the sound of these. And then a few Gateron Red. Ooh, that sounds good too. These all sound good. I all very much enjoy these. So now, obviously, it's time. First things first, Texi Oreos. Sound test. They sound very nice. Let's see. Wait a minute. I thought for a split second this was pre-lubed and I was about to be shocked, but I am incorrect. Might I add, what a good name. Oreos, Texi Oreos. I'm hungry for Oreos now. Thank you, Texi. These are pre-lubed.
No, sir.
I think.
No.
But they feel and sound and look pre-lubed.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, apparently the Texi Oreos came pre-lubed.
Arrest that man!
That is going to be it for today's keyboard video. I'm not entirely sure why, but my voice is leaving me for some reason. I'm very pleased with these switches. Extremely pleased with the Oreos, and I have a feeling I'm going to be extremely pleased with the Texi Carrots. If you enjoyed this keyboard video, consider leaving a like, consider subscribing. I intend to be doing more keyboard videos soon, including, but not limited to, Switch reviews, new builds, and I have a video coming hopefully tomorrow of a keyboard that literally shattered my will. So, subscribe to see me suffer.